Fine. So today we'll discuss something called as inflation. Inflation. This inflation occurs due to demand and supply. Keep this in mind. Demand and supply. So what happens if demand is more? See, imagine if there is a car. If there is a car and there are five people to buy this car. Okay, there are five people to buy this car. What happens? He will have 1 lakh, he will have 2 lakh, he will have 4 lakh, he will have 10 lakh, and he will have 15 lakh. So tell me, who will buy this car?
15 lakh
15
only.
lakh.
Yeah, the person who has more money, he will buy this car. Okay, so what happened? The demand is more for this one car. The demand is more. So at that time, the price of this car is increasing. That is called as inflation. Okay, that is called as inflation. Now at the same time, if suppose supply is less, can I say the supply of the car is less? Imagine instead of one car, if there are five cars. Okay, instead of one car, if there is five cars, so will this person who is going to pay 15 lakh rupees, will he buy this car? No, right? So it depends on the demand and supply of this inflation. Now in India, what happens? You should remember CPI and WPI. Very important. You keep writing it down. CPI and WPI. CPI stands for Consumer Price Index. It stands for what? Consumer Price Index. And WPI stands for Wholesale Price Index. Okay, wholesale price index. Understood? Wholesale price index. Now here, this was a question in 2015 in combined defense service examination, that what is the base year for, this was a question in combined defense service 2015, that what is the base year of, what is the base year of 2015 consumer price index. Okay, now what is this base year? For example, if I ask you, anyone, there are a lot of candidates here, I'll ask you a question like, from 10th standard till your degree, are you studying good or are you studying bad? So what you will do? I'm studying good. What you will say? Sir, in 10th standard I scored 70 percentage, in 12th standard I scored 80 percentage, and in my degree I scored 90 percentage. So what does it mean? You are taking this 10th standard as your base, correct? No, you are taking your 10th
Yes,
standard
sir.
as your base. So in the same way, what the government of India does, it will take 2012, or imagine 2016. If I take 2016 as the base year, okay, I'm going to take the 2016 as the base year. Now here, in the month of July in 2016, in the month of July in 2016, 1 kg of tomato was how much? The government will have the data. 1 kg of rice is how much? The government will have data. See, this is all consumer, right? We people consume, we people eat it, right? So this is one thing. Now 1 kg of sugar, potato, all the products, all these things, government will have a data. Onion, for example, onion. Okay, onion, everything. July 2016, how much it is? For example, in the month of July 2016, it was rupees 50 kg. Okay, rupees 50 per kg. Imagine 1 kg of onion. Okay, 1 kg of onion into July 2016 is 50 rupees per kg. In July 2020, it is rupees 80 per kg. Okay, 1 kg onion is rupees 80 per kg. So tell me whether the cost is increasing or decreasing.
Increasing.
Whether it is increasing or decreasing, tell me others.
Increase.
Increasing, right? Okay, so here this is called as inflation. This is called as inflation. Now I will calculate the percentage, how much it is increasing. Okay, how much percentage it is increasing, I'll calculate the percentage. That percentage will be called as consumer price index percentage. Okay, that is called as inflation. Now wholesale price index, this is one thing. Okay, so inflation is a very big chapter that will be dealt in your economics classes. Here you should know something called as IIP also. Okay, industrial input production, index of production. Here there are 8 core industry. We call it as 8 core industry, Maharatna and Navaratna companies. Okay, based on their turnover, based on their profit, I will say that IIP India is developing. India's GDP will develop, or it will fall, or it will increase, decrease. That thing. See. So inflation is that I'm going to take care of control of demand and supply. See, every year what happens? There will be problem with the onion market. Okay, we call it as onion hoardings. Okay, onion hoardings. What these farmers will do, these farmers will keep this onion in their godown. Okay, they will keep this onion in their godown, and in market they will create a demand. In market, what will happen? The onion will be supplied very less. The onion will be supplied very less, and then when the demand is more and the price is very high, When the demand is more, the price is very high, they will come and give the onions so that they can make money. Okay, so this is what happens with the like inflation, demand and supply. Now Reserve Bank of India, tell me who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Shaktikant Das.
Yeah.
Shaktikant Das, sir.
Yes, Saktikanta Das, right? So Reserve Bank of India, all this thing. Now, Reserve Bank of India has some tool called as cash reserve ratio, statutory liquid ratio, MSF. Okay, MSF is there. Then you have MCLR. Okay, all these ratio things are there. With this, the government, Reserve Bank of India, will control the inflation. Okay, with this, just now in today's class, you just see what is happening. In economics class, we'll tell it in detail what happens with this inflation, deflation and all. Okay, so inflation will be controlled by all these tools, CRR, SLR, MSF, like this. And from 2004 till 2014, it was the duty of the Reserve Bank of India to bring down the inflation less than 4% and about 2%. Less than 4% and about 2%. Suppose if the petrol price and the diesel price increases, the price of the consumer goods also increases. So what happens finally? The consumer price also CPI also increases. Okay, so this is all interlinked chain. It is all chain of event. If one thing falls, everything will fall. If one is increasing, everything else will increase. Okay, so we'll see what is basis point, what happens when the increase and decrease of the basis point. Okay, this is called as something called as inflation. Okay, fine. Anything else you have read from today's article?
Sir, there is a ban on import and export of silk also from China, sir, by Union Textile Minister Smriti Irani.
So that is all, like, okay, it will keep going on now. Trade war and everything will be going on. That is all fine.